Hi guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing this look, wearable Valentine's makeup look. This is one of my favorite looks I've done so far. Nude, soft glam, paired with this beautiful lipstick from Juvia's place. So yeah, this is the look we are doing today. I'm going to close my eyes for you to see. If you want to know how I achieved this look, keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and can be a part of my YouTube family.
Try to fight it, but you can't even feel it.
We're going to start with the eye first, and I'm going to use the LA Pro Concealer in the color Fawn to base my eye.
Try to deny it, but it's coming from someone you love, not the wisest.
And I'll be using a flat brush to blend it in. So we're going to bring it all the way here.
To deceive her,
I'm just putting enough to cover the dark pigment on my eye. Using the Sacha Buttercup to mattify the eye area. It's all done. We're gonna do the eyeshadow first. When I'm not in front of the camera and I'm doing my makeup, I always do my foundation first. But every time I come in front of the camera, somehow I do my eyeshadow first. I don't know why I do that. We're going to use a Morphe palette, the 3502 palette. Look at the shades in there. They're all kind of soft and nude colors. We're going for soft and nude colors for Valentine's. We're going to start off with the lighter shade. I'm going to do it like slowly because we want everything to look very smooth and very seamless. The lighter shade I'm going to go for will be this brown here. We're going to start off and build it up slowly.
In the silence.
There you go. I'm not going in full on. We're doing it slowly. Make sure it's all blending very, very well.
It's conceited.
We're going to spread it out. We're spreading it out on the corners. And then we're spreading it out on the corners here as well. Alright guys, so this is how it's looking at the moment. I started up with a lighter shade and now we are going to go in for the darker shade, and we're going to be putting that in the crease area. So we're going to go over with this darker shade here. Try using a small brush to get the precise.
Cause it believes that we're defeated. To our surprise, I believe it. What's inside us will release us now.
We're doing a V motion here on the corners.
Oh, no, the world just have to trust now.
So I'm going to go over and cut the crease with a flat brush, and I'm going to use a concealer, LA Pro Concealer in the color Fawn.
Then maybe we'll find out, but now we're coming to the place in the tall grass where we see that the elders have lost time, and the lessons we learned from a long past have all but abandoned our small minds. Dream about nothing but fear, trying to run up a decline. Maybe one day we'll learn the truth. Maybe we're blind by design. Maybe we're blind by design. Maybe we're blind by design. There's something special that we're keeping in a place that's close and near and dear to our hearts. Just a lie that we are different in our existence. And it can
So we're going to go on to the foundation, and today the foundations that I'm using are two foundations that fit me from a Maybelline 350, and this one is from NYX Born to Glow. I'm going to mix these two together for my foundation. I'm actually getting into drugstore foundations at the moment. First of all, they're cheap and they are becoming really good. A while ago, I never used to get my shade or the consistency. I didn't like it. Now it's actually surprisingly getting good. You know, drugstore foundations are becoming really good. The only thing is, when I buy it, some of the stores you can't actually do a shade match. So for me, that's the only thing. Now I'm applying the foundation all over my face. I'm not going to put too much. Like I said, we're going for wearable Valentine's look. My Valentine looks are normally quite wild and quite bold, but this one is wearable.
Never happened to us. I only know this because I feel it.
We're gonna pat it down to get rid oil a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with the LA Pro Concealer in the color Fawn to highlight under my eye and all the places I want it to pop.
And I can see that I've been left in the dark now. Or what's worse, that we need it. It leaves me speechless, but we'll just.
So now I'm actually going to blend it in. So I'm going to take my time and blend it in.
Have to try
Do my nose. And I'm going to do my forehead.
Oh, that there's things bigger than us now. And maybe we'll find out, but now.
So in a corner, I'm gonna go in and do a dot. Oh, it didn't do the dots. Oh God, what is this? What have I just done? Okay, let's try and just blend it in the inner corner.
Coming to that place in the tall grass. It seems like the elders have lost time and the lessons we've learned from a long time.
So now we're actually going to go over and set the face.
They've all but abandoned our small minds, scream about nothing but fear.
Oh dear, I forgot. I totally forgot to contour. I totally forgot. We're just going to contour just there. And we're going to leave it there.
To run up a decline. Maybe one day we'll learn the truth. Maybe we're blind by design. Coming to the place we talk. Maybe we're blind by design.
So guys, now we finished contouring, so I'm going to actually go over it again since I forgot to contour. We're going to put the powder on the forehead and we're going to do the nose.
Oh, maybe we're blind by design. Oh, maybe we're blind by design. Maybe one day we'll learn the truth. Oh, maybe we're blind by design.
I'm going to set my whole face with this powder here, this pressed powder from Benefit, and it's Hello Happy in the color 11. This is going to help blend everything in nicely.
Try to fight it, but you can't
So I'm going to bronze the face.
even feel it. Try to deny it, but it's coming from someone you love. Not the wisest to deceive her. Can I hide away?
Now we're going to line the eye with the NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink. There it is, and it's in the color all black.
But we are in the silence. It's conceded.
I've just finished the liner on the other side. Now we're going to put the mascara on the top lashes and the bottom lashes, because the top lashes I'm going to put the false lashes on. So I like to put mascara on to thicken it up a little bit, make it easier for the false lashes to actually grip onto it.
'cause it believes that we're defeated. To our surprise, I believe it.
So the lashes we're going to be using today is color, and I've got this from TK Maxx. All of it was like $7.99. They come in bulk and it's really, really beautiful lashes, and it's $7.99. As you can see the price on there already. We're going to be using one of these lashes for my eye. I think these lashes are absolutely gorgeous.
What's inside us will release us now.
Going for like really subtle lashes because we don't want the lashes to overpower the actual eye look. The lashes are on, guys. Now we're gonna go for glow highlighting.
Oh, no, the world just have to trust now. Then maybe we'll find out, but now we're coming to the place in the tall grass where we see that the elders have lost time, and the lessons to learn from a long past have all but abandoned.
Now we're gonna go for the lips. We're gonna do the lipstick now. I'm using Juvia's Place a lipstick for today. I am so excited, guys. Juvia's Place is in UK. It's in UK. Juvia's Place in UK. I used to actually order all the time from America. The actual fees and the shipping cost is even almost as much as the product itself. I stopped ordering it mainly because of that. So I'm really, really excited that it's in the UK. Brought it to a drugstore, Superdrug. That's one of my favorite drugstores in UK. They actually brought it there. So now I can just walk in there and purchase one. So yeah, I forgot to tell you the colors we are using. So we're using the Nude collection, which is a velvet matte lipstick, and it's in the color Cocoa. And I'm also going to be using, this is all from the Nude collection. So I'm using the Nude Chocolate again, and it's in the color Mute, and it's velvety matte lipstick. We're going to start off with the darker one first.
In our small minds,
Oh my goodness.
about nothing but fear, trying to run up a decline. Maybe one day we'll learn the truth.
And now I'm going to go in the middle with the Mute.
Maybe we're blind by design. Maybe we're blind by design.
Ooh, this is gorgeous. Okay, I'm actually gonna go on top with this one here, the Royce Cosmetics Lip Shine.
Maybe we're blind by design.
The lips are on. Oh my goodness, I am loving this look. I am living for this look. Okay, now we are going to spray. I forgot to tell you, we're using the Revlon Matte Fix. This is wait for it to dry. So yeah, this is the look. This is the look. I'm going to close it for you guys to see. As you can see, it's really nice, you know, wearable, beautiful. I love this look. This is one of my favorite looks. And I actually went for these lashes here. I didn't want the lashes to overpower the actual eyeshadow look because eyeshadow is so beautiful. I went for really nice, natural looking lashes. There it is. So it looks really nice.
Something's